Hello everyone and welcome to summer. As we celebrate the summer solstice, I wanted to invite you to do a little summer flow with me as we salute the sun and welcome a new season. In yoga, we really enjoy kind of harping on these new seasons and the new things that they bring to us, such as new foods grown in our earth, as well as new colors as new plants and trees grow, as well as new activities. So a lot of times our mornings are earlier and our evenings are later because we have warmer mornings and nights, as well as more sun in the morning and evening as well. So we have all this time to be outside. So it's really important that you practice self-care during this time and that you also notice small changes you're gonna have to do for your own mind, body, and soul. So I hope you enjoyed this sequence, and let's get started. We're gonna get started at the top of our mats. So go ahead and extend your arms out to your sides and allow your eyes to close as we start to take in the first day of summer. So as we welcome the summer solstice, we welcome a new season full of new things. And I want you to bring your mind to everything that you are pumped about for the summer, all the good memories from last summer, and all your ambitions and successes for this upcoming summer. Also noticing that as we moved out of winter and into spring, kind of the small things that changed for you then, and noticing what spring to summer will bring for you. Go ahead and inhale, raise both arms high to the sky, look up, and then lift your arms higher if you can, lean back. Good, take another big breath in, and then exhale, bow forward, hands to toes. Inhale, wave your spine forward, halfway, flat spine. Exhale, bow forward. We're gonna go ahead and step our left foot back on the mat, and then inhale, peel the chest forward, and then the arms all the way up. Call these your sunshine fingers, so hook your thumbs and then spread your 8 fingers wide to lift your heart. Take a full breath in, and then exhale, release your hands down to the earth. You'll step into high plank pose. We're gonna lower through chaturanga and then inhale, pull the heart up. Take a full breath here, and then exhale, press your hips back to downward facing dog. Go ahead and inhale, breathe in. And then exhale, breathe out. From here, I want you to inhale, take the right leg back up to the sky. Exhale, bring your knee towards your chest and then just pulse here. So we're starting to build a little bit of heat in this sequence. Summer is fiery. It's a pitta dosha, so it's for those that really enjoy the heat and high energy. For 3, 2, and then inhale, press the right leg all the way back up. Exhale, step the right foot forward. Peel the right arm up as you take a twist, look all the way up at the sky, and then exhale, frame your foot as we step to chair pose, top of the mat. So we're combining parts of sun salutation A and B. Inhale, hold chair. Exhale, open arm twist to the right. Inhale, come back through to chair. And then exhale, we're gonna fold forward. Inhale, rise all the way to stand, reach up high, salute the sun. Exhale, forward bend, hands to toes. Inhale, lift halfway. Exhale, fold forward. Take the right foot, take a big step back on your mat and hold your lunge. Lift your chest forward, and then from here, again, hook your thumbs, spread your 8 fingers wide. Inhale, big breath in as you lean back. Open the heart, and then exhale, frame your foot. We'll step to plank. We'll take chaturanga. We'll inhale, up dog or cobra, your choice. Lift your chest. Exhale, back through downward facing dog. Take a breath in here and a breath out. We'll raise our left heel high. Inhale, reach it up. Exhale, knee to chest, and we'll pulse. So again, we're building that early heat here in the core. Good, just holding and pulsing for 5, 4, 3, keep those arms straight. And then on 1, inhale, lift your leg way up and back. Exhale, step your foot forward. Take your twist. Inhale, raise your left arm to the sky, open up. Exhale, frame the foot. We'll step to chair pose, top of the mat. Inhale, reach your arms up. Exhale, open arm twist to your left. Inhale, return back to center. We're gonna build some heat as we bow forward. Exhale. Inhale, rise all the way to stand, big back bend, salute the sun. Exhale, open your heart, dive forward through the sunshine. Inhale, lift halfway. Exhale, same sequence, left foot back. Inhale, hook your thumbs, spread your fingers, full breath in. Exhale, lower your hands down. Step right through your vinyasa, so keep the right leg lifted and lower. Inhale, upward facing dog, and then exhale, back. Go ahead and take your right leg high, bring your knee forward and pulse for 5, 4, 3, 2. Inhale, lift your leg all the way up, and then step it through. Take your right arm high, big breath in, we're moving faster, twist. Exhale, frame the foot, right to chair pose. Bend your knees, squeeze your legs, inhale up, exhale, twist right. Inhale, center, exhale, fold. Second side of that sequence, inhale, rise all the way up, big back bend. Exhale, dive forward, split your hands if you can. Inhale, lift halfway. Exhale, fold, right foot back. Thumbs hook, inhale, big breath in, lean back. Exhale, right through your vinyasa, hover the toes if you can. Inhale, up, lift the heart. Exhale, pull back. Inhale, left leg up, exhale, pulse for 5, 4, you got this, 3, 2, use your breath, and then on 1, inhale, reach the leg way up to the sky. Exhale, step forward. 1 breath to twist, inhale up. Exhale to frame the foot, big step to the top, find your chair. Inhale, breathe in. Exhale, twist left. Inhale, return back to center. Exhale, bow forward. Inhale, salute the sun, reach up high. Exhale, bow forward, breath out. Inhale, lift and lengthen. Exhale, this time just step to down dog for me. So take a couple breaths as we step to down dog and just pedal your feet and notice your heart rate is elevated. So it's faster, it's brighter, it's just like the sun, and just allow your heels to start to reach down towards the mat as maybe the toes have an opportunity to lift. Inhale as you breathe in, and then exhale as you breathe out. From here, I want you to very slowly lower the knees. If you have a block handy, feel free to grab a block. We're gonna place it right between our 2 legs, and we're gonna hug our legs towards the midline. I want you to inhale, raise your right arm up high. Take a big breath as we reach back. Exhale, the right hand returns to the lower back. Inhale, raise your left arm up high, big breath in. Exhale, return. So we're keeping the block there because it's keeping my hips in alignment and it's engaging my legs. Inhale, reach the right arm up, lean back, hips stay forward. Exhale, return. Inhale, left arm up, big breath in. Exhale, return. One more time, maybe reach for your heels. Inhale, right arm up to the sky, grab the heel, hold here. Return to the lower back. Inhale, reach the left arm up high. Exhale, maybe touch your heel, and then return to the lower back. We'll have a seat, untucking the toes, bringing the butt down, and then remove the block to the side if you used one. Good. From here, roll your shoulders down your back, interweave the fingers, and then just pull the knuckles back, lifting the chest. Good. Exhale, simply bring the hands forward. Curl the spine slightly forward and just rest here as you let your head hang, shifting it slightly from side to side. As part of this sequence, I want to offer you compass pose, but first, I would like to open up the hamstrings, so we're going to have a seat here. Again, this is just that sequence when you wake up in the morning, maybe you want that kind of fire push, or right before a big meeting, you're trying to wake yourself up and fire your breath. Inhale, raise both arms to the sky, knees are soft. Exhale, hinge, fold forward. If you can grab your toes, you can interlace your fingers and then hook the tops of the hands here. If you can't hold your toes, you can always hold on to your shins as well. Exhale, bend the elbows, fold in a little bit further. Good. Inhale, breathe in. Exhale, breathe out. Inhale in and exhale out. Take your time, come up nice and slow, and then you're gonna hug your right knee towards your chest. And I want to offer you compass pose on the first day of summer because it's also in a sundial pose, so it's super fun. We're going to take the bottom of our right foot and extend it towards the sky. As we do that, we want to sit up straight. So if you feel like you're way back here, maybe just hold your hamstring and extend the leg. It's totally up to you. Keep the leg up, keep the leg engaged, lift the heart. Good. And then from here, you're just gonna cradle your foot. So option one, you're gonna hold the knee and you're gonna hold the foot and then rock it side to side, kind of stretching through your hip. Option two, we're gonna take the foot to the crease of our elbow and then start to rock the hip slightly side to side from there. And then from there, I want you to sit up tall. So whether you're holding the knee with both hands or you're using your elbow like I am, just lengthen the chest. Good, find your breath here. Take a full inhale and a full exhale. Now I'm gonna rotate towards you so that you can see what I'm doing. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our foot, same hand, same calf muscle, so right underneath. And then I'm gonna bring the leg over my shoulder. So it's gonna feel kind of funky. From there, I'm gonna reach over my foot with my opposite hand. So same hand, same leg, over with the opposite. And then now root down through your right palm. Inhale, start to press the leg up, feed your head underneath, and then look underneath the armpit to the opposite side. So that as you do this, watch, I'm gonna push through this palm, which is gonna open up my chest. Now you might be stuck here and wondering, how did she ever get there? But it just takes practice. So again, I'm gonna dorsal flex my foot, start to push, peek underneath, press open, and look. And this is why sometimes they call this sundial pose. Take a full breath. And then exhale, slowly come out of it, and we'll just switch sides. So I'll face you to get started on the second side. Go ahead and hug your knee tightly into your chest, sit up tall. Exhale, take the bottom of the foot, extend it forward. Again, option two, take it right here. Lift your heart up and find your breath. On your next inhale, you can notice right away if this side is tighter, you're gonna bend the knee. So again, just hold your foot and knee, and this might be where you're stopping today. Option to go further, you're gonna place the crease of the foot, or the foot in the crease of the elbow, and then rock a little side to side. Now this is my tighter side, so you're gonna notice that the extension of my leg is very different on this side, as well as the ability of me to get my knee up over my shoulder. It's also going to change. From here, I'm gonna inhale, sit up tall, hug this knee in and just hold, which is gonna allow me to stretch through my hip. So it's gonna give me a little bit more flexibility here. On your next breath, what you're gonna do is take same hand, same foot, and then you're gonna hike it as far as you can over your shoulder. Now, if you can't do that, just hike it right over your elbow, and that still works because you can still squeeze on the elbow with the calf muscle and then work from here, just push it out. And your head won't fit underneath your arm, but it will get close. Otherwise, hike that leg over, reach over top of your foot, press down through your palm again. And then we're gonna press through the leg, peer underneath, and then push. And you'll notice I'm a little bit more stuck here. I don't have as much room on this side. And that as I rotate, that's where I'm gonna find opening. So again, my bottom hand is pushing, my heart is lifting. Exhale, look underneath, press to lift. Take another big breath there, and then slowly release it. Good. From here, I just want you to sit cross-legged, and you can face me or face the top of your mat, doesn't matter, and then roll your shoulders down your back. Find a little movement for the spine. So we're gonna inhale, lift the heart up, moving through some flexion and extension exercises. Exhale, curl the spine in. One more time, inhale, lift the heart forward. Exhale, curl the spine in. Now go ahead and move the spine around in a circle. So starting to find the rotation of the spine right from the tailbone. And then from there, exhale, reverse it, second side. From there, lateral movements of the spine. Go ahead and lower the palm. Inhale, raise one arm up. Doesn't matter which side, we're gonna do both. Exhale, switch, palm down, opposite palm up. And then one more time, you'll move over to one side. Reach up. Second side. Good, and then take a big full breath in, bring both arms up. And again, lock your thumbs, spread your 8 fingers, be your own sunshine, lift your heart. And then exhale the hands through heart center. No matter the weather, remember you can always bring your own sunshine. I hope you enjoyed this summer solstice flow and that you continue to enjoy the rest of the season and the rest of the classes on this channel. Thank you guys.